Hello everyone, Namaste. Rakhi is around the corner, and what could be a better way to celebrate this festival of love and bonding than to make your own Rakhi for your brothers and also for your friends. Let's begin by making Rakhi in a simple way by using the materials available with us at home. Now to make Rakhi using the material available with us at home, we will be taking some craft paper. You can use the paper left out from your any of the old school craft or even the wedding invitation, old if you have any greeting card you have, newspaper we will need some bindis. We will need a ribbon or a thread or wool, whatever is available with you. We will need some rice or some cereals or lentils, colors, glue and scissors. So now to make the simple Rakhis, I am going to show you on a white piece of paper so that it is easy for you. You can do it on the colored paper once you know how to do the shapes. First Rakhi which we are going to do is the Peppa Pig Rakhi. Now I have taken one old white piece of oval. Now what I am going to do is I am going to put my finger. Can you see? It's like I am putting it little cross on top of the oval, and I am going to trace my finger. Other side I am only doing the tip of my finger. So it is my finger which I have traced. Now the other side where we have just done the tip of the finger, I am going to make a curve and take it down and do the outline completely. Now the upper part where I had traced my finger, make 2 ears of your Peppa Pig and in front make a small snout. So this is the shape of your Peppa Pig Rakhi. Now the second step, what we have to do is, if you are using the white paper, you have to color it. So you can take paint, you can take crayons, or you can take pencil colors and quickly color your Peppa Pig. Don't worry if it is coming out of the pink line, because we are going to cut that part out. Color the ears and we have colored this. Now you have to make the eyes and the smiley Peppa Pig because it's a Rakhi. So now for eyes you can use bindis, you can use the sketch pen, or if you have googly eyes you can use googly eyes. I am going to show you with the sketch pen because I don't have tiny small bindis and Peppa Pig eyes are small. And 2 small standing lines for the snout. Now for the smiley face, again I am using, or I will show you with the bindi. See, I have taken half bindi and I am putting here. So you can do. Next is cut this extra white bit out. Now you have to be careful when you are using the scissors. Take the help of Mama, Papa or any adult, or use child safe scissors only. And cut this shape out. Now your Peppa Pig is ready. Now I want to add some bow under the Peppa Pig to make it look prettier. So what I have done, I have taken from the newspaper, where you can take any colored part. I have taken the brown color, and we are going to make the fan. We have done earlier also in the craft. Fold and make the small folds. Turn, fold, turn, fold. Keep turning, keep folding till the time you have folded the whole paper. Now hold from one end and spread from the other. So your one bow is ready. Same way I have kept the second bow also ready. So now my Peppa Pig will have two bows on both the sides. So I am going to paste it behind. Now you can use the glue or you can use the tape. So I am going to use the tape to tape my bows. Take a small piece of tape. Hold it. The colored part should be facing down because it will be visible from the other side. Press it. Spread it little and tape it. Now take the other side. Again, you will have to take another piece of tape. Press it. Now once you turn it, spread your bow so that it is fitting properly and is there. So now this is the Peppa Pig shape which is there. Now the same thing I have used the colored paper to do what I have shown you, and I have used googly eyes. So you can also, if you have the colored paper how I showed you, from there you can cut the shape and you can make the bow. Now the final thing is to put the string. Now this is how your Rakhi has to fit on the wrist. You want this way also you can do, but if you will put it facing this way it will be more comfortable. So your ribbon has to come this way. So now take the middle of the ribbon, put it on your Rakhi, and you can again put the glue or take a piece of tape and tape your string or the ribbon. So your ribbon is done and your Rakhi is ready. You can go ahead to tie it to your brother or your friend. So this is one Rakhi what we have done, and this is how you have to do it. Now let us go to the second Rakhi, which we are making the Chhota Bheem Rakhi. For this again I have taken one oval. Now again for this oval what we have to do, from the top I am making a line. It's a little curve on the edges and a line. Then I am making ears on both the side, and then Chhota Bheem has hair and a strand of hair coming from up. Now I am again making the outline of the oval. Now I have done the outline. Now again the eyes, you have googly eyes, you have bindis, you can use, or you can use your color to make big eyes and a nose. And now a smiley. Yes. So we are making a big smiley. Now let us color it. Now for the hair, I am going to use brown color, and I am going to do brown color here, and then I am going to use black color for my eyes and pink for my lips. You want, you can, because you will be using the colored paper. If you have, no need to color inside. If you are using white paper, you can color the face also if you want. And now I am cutting the extra part of the oval out, and this other Rakhi is ready. Now I also want to put the name for whom I am making this Rakhi. So what I will do, again from a rough paper what I have, I will cut out one rectangular piece, and if it is a small name, you can cut a small piece. If it is someone big, then the name is bigger, you can cut the big rectangle. Now we need to put this rectangle there. So take the glue, put glue in the corner. See, we are reusing the material. So this is a chocolate box I have taken, and just put it. Now your rectangle piece is done. You can go ahead and write the name of the person you want to gift this Rakhi to. Now again we need the string. So I have taken this string, which most of the houses you will easily find. It is the moli which we have in the puja area. So I have taken this string. I can again measure how much I need for the wrist and cut off the extra bit. And on my Rakhi, now again my Rakhi will sit like this. So I will be putting the string again with the tape, and I will be putting my Rakhi. Now again with the colored paper I have done the same Rakhi, and it is here. So it was the colored brown paper which I got, and I have written the name and I have made it. And if this way it will be, I am going to just tape the thread again in the middle of my face. Now again I am taking a small piece of the tape. Now put the tape and press it, and your second Rakhi is also ready. So you want to, your brother wants Chota Bheem Rakhi, you can do that. Peppa Pig, you can do that. So both these are ready. Now if you don't have the colored thing, or you don't want to make the face, we will do another very simple way of making a Rakhi. Now again from the colored paper I have taken two circles. Circles of different sizes I have taken, one bigger and one smaller. First step is to put the glue on the smaller circle and paste it in the center. Press it firmly so that it stays in place. Now the other way of doing this, what we are going to do, we are going to use the rice and lentils available with us at home. So I am going to show you different ways. See, in the middle, now I am putting one color of lentil. I am taking this orange color. Now put the orange color lentil, it will only stick where you have put the glue. And once you will dust off, the extra will go off. So if you have put the, see, it has come out like a flower in the middle. Now the second way is to use bindis. Now if you have small bindis, you can put bindis around the circle. So once in the middle I have done lentils, I am taking colored bindis and putting all around. If you don't have bindis, this second circle also you can take other color of lentils. But I am showing you both the ways. So one more. Now my second layer of Rakhi is also ready. Now the third outer layer. Now in the third outer layer, I am going to show you how to do the third layer, which will be my rice. Now again I am putting the glue. Put the glue, and now you have the rice. Take the rice and spread the rice on your third layer. Okay, so we have the third layer where we are putting the rice. Now you can keep pressing the rice on the third layer. It will only stick where the glue is there. And extra rice you can dust off. Now once you will dust off, you will have to give the shape and direction to the grains of rice, how they are sticking. So you will have to keep pushing it in that third layer so that they fall in the correct place and they are sticking in the same direction. So keep pressing them, keep moving them round, and keep fitting them in the circle. So our easy and pretty Rakhi will be ready. Now the next will be to tie it with a string. Now for this I am showing you, I had some wool and thread. Now I have done it double. Now I am twisting it around. Just hold from one side tight and keep rotating from the other side. Can you see the pattern coming? You can take the help of your brother or your parents also. They can hold from one hand. Now on the other side, we will tie one knot. Now this side, now the other side again, I am tying the knot. So now this is ready. You can use this for your third Rakhi. Sometimes if it is little loose, it will open up. So the easy way I will tell you is, you put little glue on your thread. If you will apply little glue and move the Rakhi on the glue and tighten it. You will have to hold it for some time and it will stick to this pattern. So let us just hold it for 2 minutes and see. So now this is dried and it will stay in the pattern how we have made. Now again we will need to put it on this. So just take a small piece of tape and tape the string on the Rakhi, and your another handmade pretty Rakhi for your brother is ready. So again we have our 3 pretty simple Rakhis ready for the festival.